Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make some awesome Owlette cupcake toppers. Don't they look cool? So we're going to start off with some royal icing. I am simply spooning this into a piping bag. Now make sure you get the royal icing. I have got some that is pre-mixed, though you can get it powdered and add some water. So now I have a printout of Owlette's mask, and this is exactly the same image that is on her bracelet. So I have printed it out, and I am taking some baking paper that I'm going to lay over the top of it. This is going to be like a stencil. So I'm taking the white icing and I'm drawing all around the edge. Because I've printed it out, it means that I can make it perfect. If you want to smooth down the icing, dip your finger in some water. You can also use a toothpick. I've started around the edge, and I'm also doing her eyes, and then I'm finishing it off. Perfect. Now I've set that in the fridge to set. I'm taking some more of the royal icing and I'm adding a little bit of water. This is going to make it a bit more runny. I'm adding some red food dye. This is what is going to give our cake topper color. Give it a good mix. We want it to be a bright red color. Looking good. Stir it all up. Now we're going to spoon the mixture in. This is called flooding. It's going to fill the gaps where there isn't any white icing. The white icing acts as a barrier. I'm using a toothpick to help it spread out. It's already looking great. Make sure you get it right into the corners. Don't make this mixture too runny, because if it's too runny, it won't set. Don't forget to do the edges. You can see the image starting to come together really nicely. Nearly there. And there we have it. So we're gonna set that in the fridge. And after a couple of hours, it is solid, so you can peel it off the baking paper. And we have our cake topper. Go, Owlette, go. Doesn't that look amazing? Doesn't that look amazing? Now, all we need to do is to add it on top of a cupcake. I have a red one to match Owlette. Super cute. A perfect Owlette cake topper. Yum yum!